What is the best medical grade skincare regimen for your face? Well, there really is no one size fits all answer to that question. But all good skincare regimens contain the same components. So every good skincare regimen needs a cleanser. So you need to have a cleanser that does a good job cleaning your skin. You need to have a retinol, because retinols have been shown to preserve the integrity of your skin and reduce the rate at which your skin ages. You need to have something with growth factors or a serum that contains growth factors, again, to slow the process of aging that your skin goes through. And finally, all good skincare regimens have a sunblock. The sunblock has to have UVA and UVB protection. Often it'll say broad spectrum on the sunblock. That's important because nothing makes your skin age faster than a lack of sunblock while you're being exposed to ultraviolet radiation. And since all of us in Florida are exposed to ultraviolet radiation, you just need to wear sunblock every day. And so every good skincare regimen contains broad spectrum sunblock as well. Now, we sell a number of different skincare products. I can recommend various regimens based on your skin and your goals and your budget. However, what I want to stress is that don't marry a skincare regimen until you find something you really like. A lot of this is just based on experimentation and trial and error. So try one regimen. If you're really happy and you like it, stick with it. If you're underwhelmed, let's try a different one. And another thing I like to do is we have the Vizia skin analysis system. I think it's worthwhile to get a baseline Vizia scan of your face, get you started on a skincare regimen, and then repeat the Vizia scan so we can make sure that at the very least your skin isn't getting worse and it is maintaining your current age. And best case scenario, your skin starts to improve. I'd also like to add that you can submit a virtual consult on our website. You can submit photos of your face via a virtual consult, and we can send you the skincare regimen that we would recommend based on your photos. You can then purchase these skincare products in our office. You can also order them online from our website. And that is pretty much it. So we are here to help you find the best skincare product regimen for your face. We also have lots of other skincare services, such as esthetician services, as well as laser and light treatments to get your face looking your best. To learn more, check out our website where you can upload your photos and concerns as a virtual consult. You can also check out our price estimator to get pricing information for all the various procedures we offer. And finally, if you'd like to have your questions answered on a future podcast or Q&A video session like this, please leave a message on our SpeakPipe. You can go to our blog page and our SpeakPipe is located there. Thanks for listening.